Good morning, class. Myself, Umesh R. Rathore, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department from Vallabhpuri Polytechnic, Navsari. In today's lecture, I am presenting a topic of classification of cost and its relation with quantity of production. Of the subject, estimating costing and contracting, subject code 3351905. Let me have start with classification of cost. Before going to classification, let I explain what is cost. The cost may be defined as consumption of money for manufacturing product from its raw material, purchasing, working, product making and selling. Cost can be classified as fixed cost, semi-fixed cost, variable cost, semi-variable cost, differential cost, marginal cost, sunk cost, controllable cost, uncontrollable cost, and current cost. Let me see the fixed cost. A fixed cost is a cost that doesn't change with an increase or decrease in the amount of goods or services produced or sold. Let I explain it graphically. On graph, x-axis represent quantity of production, while y-axis represent cost of production. As per our definition, fixed costs remain constant, represented by continuous horizontal straight line, because there is no vary in this fixed cost. Now, what are the types of fixed cost? The first one is indirect material cost, like tools, indirect labor cost for inspection and audit, building rent, property depreciation, property tax, insurance, research and development, maintenance, interest on capital, administrative cost, establishment cost, and wages to the employees. Now move on to the second cost is variable cost. A variable cost is a cost that changes with an increase or decrease in the amount of goods or service produced or sold. Let's also explain it graphically. In graph, as per our definition, x-axis represent quantity of the product, while y-axis represent cost of production. As per our definition, fixed cost remain constant, represented by straight line, while variable cost represented by an inclined line, depending on quantity or price with its variable changes rate. Now, types of variable cost. It can be classified as direct material cost of raw material, wastages, direct labor cost for their salaries, power cost, storage cost, heat treatment cost, income tax, wastage cost, material handling, inventory, packaging, transportation cost, and octroi and excise duty. And at last, relation between cost and quantity of production. First, we see the total cost. Total cost is the sum of fixed cost and variable cost. Let CT equal to the total cost, F equal to the fixed cost, A equal to variable cost per unit, and Q may be the quantity of production. So total cost equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. So CT may be defined as F plus A into Q. Now, at last, we see the sales revenue. It's an income by selling. Let S be the total sales revenue line and B be the selling cost per unit. So total sales revenue equal to B into Q. So these are the relations between quantity, fixed cost, and the variable cost. Thank you, student. Thanks for listening me carefully.